Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Infiniti QX60. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Infiniti prioritized comfort and style by including leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, an outside temperature display, power moonroof, a power rear cargo door, and remote keyless entry. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.